Couple of jobs to do today. I gotta lie to my ABS saying that there's an issue. Checked all my fuses, everything like that. So I think what has happened is that this has actually gone bad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this thing and see if it's the plug or if it's something else that's the issue. This is the rear differential. This is the front of the truck over this way. That's the tailgate that way. This is the rear sway bar. And what we're looking at is this thing right here. This is the rear speed control sensor. So it looks like this. Let's get this off. I think it's 2 clips there, or there we go, on either side for the sensor. So I was just looking at this boot to see if it was sealed well. It is. There we go. So this sensor right here, it's got a little nut on the top of it. Let's see what size that is. Is that a 10? So what am I using there? That's a 1/2 inch. I might need a swivel socket for this, just because of the angle that it's at. It's right behind the sway bar. Ratchet here, socket too, but there we go. Straight up. It's starting to come a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Okay. New one. In she goes. There's that dirt. And there we go. Nice and tight. Sensor back on. The clip feels like it's a little brittle and loose on that side, almost like it's going to give up pretty soon.